Hello everyone, good day and welcome back. The next generation iPad mini 6 will have 8.3-inch display. According to the display analysis, Rose Young, the iPad mini 6 will have an 8.3-inch display, which is way larger than the current size of 7.9-inch display due to removal of the home button and a narrower bezel design. It is being rumored that this iPad mini will be released this fall. The new iPad mini could include either the A14 chip or A15 chip. It is also expected to have a USB-C port instead of Lightning port that would streamline the whole iPad product lineup. The new iPad mini would have mini LED display, but being disputed information that it may only have a standard display rather than mini LED display. Thanks for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and feel free to comment. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to receive notification for the latest video. Peace.